From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Monday evening. I'm Lexi Cole, your student meteorologist from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, here with a weather update for you all. Current conditions over Beaver Stadium. We're finally getting some peaks of sunshine after what's been such a cloudy day, although there are some ominous clouds hanging over the stadium right now. Fortunately, this shouldn't be too much of an issue as we approach the evening hours. Our current conditions are about 73 degrees. It is a little bit humid outside with that dew point at 64 degrees. And we're not getting a whole lot of relief with any kind of breeze or wind. It is a tiny bit uncomfortable, and that's because we had plenty of moisture in the area earlier today. Let's take a look at this radar. You can see currently over State College, we do have just a couple pop-up showers here or there, but most of the precipitation has moved its way to the eastern side of the state. Fortunately, as we approach the evening hours, this shouldn't be too much of a concern. Just a very stray pop-up shower, potentially over the Center County region, and we still have some of those lingering clouds in the area. Now, in terms of current temperatures, like I said, it's about 73 degrees outside. This is a common trend really all across the state. It's a little bit warmer down in Philadelphia and still over into the 70s in the western side of the state. Now, we are currently in an upper level ridge over the eastern side of the United States, bringing us all these warm temperatures. Look at this, 91 in Charleston. It is cooking there, 84 in Memphis, and it's a lot cooler over on the western side of the state. Now, this upper level trough is going to be making its way over towards the East Coast as we approach later into the week. And you'll see that actually right now as we take a look at our future temperatures. So this is for this evening. We're sticking in the 70s. We'll drop down to our low in the mid 50s. But then as we approach tomorrow midday, you may see this line where there's this great big temperature gradient. We're going to have these cooler temperatures start to move their way across the state with the passage of a cold front, and then we're going to get a lot cooler. Look at this. We're down into the 60s by midday Wednesday as opposed to the 70s, and last week we were all the way up into the 80s, sometimes even into the 90s. Now, this is that future cold front that I was talking about moving its way across the northeast. By the time we are into tomorrow night and early Wednesday morning, expect showers, an occasional thunderstorm, but we have plenty of precipitation in the region. And then as this cold front passes through, we'll get some of those cooler temperatures. These are going to be down in the 60s, maybe into the 70s as a high for the rest of the week. But we'll have this high pressure, and this is going to bring us plenty of sunshine. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even a lot of Sunday is going to be gorgeous just because of this high pressure system. It's going to feel like that beginning of fall weather, plenty of sunshine, and just really nice to be outside. Now, you may notice back behind me a big swirling storm of doom, and this is Hurricane Lee. Recent model projections have actually been bringing this storm up into the northeast, up over Maine and New Hampshire, so this could actually have some pretty big impacts for the northeast. Fortunately, it's not projected currently to come over Pennsylvania other than a couple of rain bands and clouds. We shouldn't have too much of an impact as of right now. Now, Hurricane Lee is very strong. This was the first Category 5 hurricane of the season. It's currently at a Category 3, projected to strengthen a little bit before it makes its way up to the northeast. Also, fortunately, by the time it gets up into the northeast, it is projected to kind of die down and not be as strong, but it will still have some serious implications for some of our coastal regions like New Jersey, like Maine, bringing in some of that really intense storm surge and some heavy precipitation for the northern part of the country. Fortunately for us, we don't have to worry about that just yet. We're talking about later into the weekend and maybe even into next week. So for tonight, let's focus on what we have going on now. 58 degrees, partly cloudy, maybe patchy fog here or there, so it'll be a little bit cooler tonight. And then as we head into tomorrow, it'll be kind of one of the last days of those really warm temperatures. We'll get up about 79 degrees, partly cloudy, and then we'll have some showers and thunderstorms later in the evening. Pretty much after 8 p.m. is when you'll see any kind of precipitation, so it should still be a very, very nice day tomorrow. Now let's take a peek at that 7-day forecast, look at what we have ahead. Look at this cool down. This is what I was talking about before. For tomorrow, we'll stay warm, and then that cold front will pass, and we'll drop down into the 70s, have plenty of sunshine, and that seems to be the trend even as we head into the weekend. Things are looking pretty nice. With that, I'm student meteorologist Lexi Cole for the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Have a great night.